Imagine you buy a truck for $70,000. You feel proud, successful, life is good. But what if I told you that same truck could secretly cost you $1 million in retirement? Flushed. Sounds crazy. Stay with me, this will change how you see money forever. Let's say you buy a brand new truck for $70,000. Most people think the cost ends here. But the real cost is not the price tag. The real cost is something called opportunity cost. This is the money your money could have made if you invested it instead. Historically, the stock market returns about 10% per year on average. Now imagine you invest that $70,000 instead of buying the truck. If you leave it invested for 40 years, that money grows to around, right finger, $1 million plus. Yes, your truck equals a millionaire flushed. But wait, it gets worse. Because owning a truck also means fuel pump, insurance shield, maintenance wrench, repairs toolbox, depreciation downward trend. Over 10 to 15 years, you easily spend another $40,000, $60,000. If that money was invested too, your $70,000 truck could cost you $1.30 minus $1.5 million in retirement. Let that sink in. This doesn't mean you should never buy nice things. It means you should understand the real price of lifestyle choices. Every big purchase asks a hidden question. Right finger, do I want this now? Or financial freedom later? Rich people think in future value. Poor people think in monthly payments. Next time you buy something expensive, ask yourself, what is this costing my future? Because small decisions today create million-dollar differences tomorrow. Subscribe for more money mindset videos. Money Bag. At age 25, he bought his dream truck for $70,000. At age 65, he realized it secretly cost him over $1 million. This is the story nobody tells you about big purchases. He told himself, I deserve this truck. The bank said, only $850 per month. Relieved face. So he bought it, and that's where the hidden mistake happened.